Hey brewers, welcome back to BKA Brewing. In our last two videos, I showed you how to brew a tropical XBA using the Woolworths Lager extract tin. In the second video, I showed you how to transfer that tropical XBA from a pale fermenter into a 19 litre corny keg using only gravity. In the third video today, we're going to grab our glass and we're going to pour our first sample. I'll link the other two videos below, just in case you're interested in following along. All right, the moment of truth. This is the tropical XBA we brewed using a Woolworths Lager extract can, liquid wheat malt, steeped Vienna grain, and a heavy hit of Amarillo, Centennial, and Citra hops. The final ABV was 5.1%. Let's check it out. Color-wise, look at that. It's a beautiful amber color, slightly hazy from the wheat and late dry hops. Really happy with how it's turned out, if I'm honest. It definitely looks like a fresh XBA. It has nice, tight white head on top with great retention. That wheat malt really helps with the foam stability. All right, now let's go for the aroma. Oh, wow. There's tundra citrus straight off the top. Tropical fruits from the Citra. Lots of orange zest and grapefruit, very likely from the Centennial and the Amarillo. Now we'll dive in for a quick taste. Oh, wow, that is super refreshing. Mid-bodied, really smooth. Some nice biscuity flavors in there from the steeped Vienna grain. Nice soft mouthfeel, which I reckon comes from the wheat malt extract. There's a mild bitterness, not too overpowering. It pairs well, actually. That's actually a pretty good beer for an extract brew. I'm quite impressed. Definitely get all of the tropical notes from the Citra in the flavour. Not getting any of the orange zest or the grapefruit though in the flavours. This is definitely clean enough to build on. I can actually think of a couple of good hop combinations that might go well with that. So I'm actually thinking I might brew a few more of these with that same base recipe, just changing some of those hops up a little bit. If you're brewing this yourself, maybe just up the dry hop slightly or greatly, depending on if you're into that, just to give it a lot more of that punchy, citrusy and fruity kind of aromas. Could probably even swap in some Galaxy and Mosaic to pair with that Citra, and that'll give you a lot more passion fruity flavors along with the other citrus coming through from the Citra. I think that'll go really well together, actually. Let me know in the comments below if you'll try this brew or if you've tried something similar with a Woolworths Lager can, actually any other extract can, that is, using the steeped Vienna grain, the Citra, the Centennial, and the Amarillo. If you're into home brewing and you love how simple, easy, and affordable it is to brew great extract brews like this beer here, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. Cheers for watching, happy brewing. Now I'm going to go away and enjoy the rest of this one. Cheers. Oh, that's great. Just look at that.